Hello, SSC amadi atopa government exams ki experience mayam bu han makta GKGS Manipurna welcome tawjari. Asisu GKGS Manipurna static GK ki topic folk dance ka mari lainana akhoi important questions laina bu video ama puduna laksari and mamang da so khoi classical dance polity high topic sing chida khoi video khara puduna laksakre adugi video sing do yeng dribisil now brothers and sisters sing na ai gi description da link hapsaramge sanga kanda tang go through to view and matung da so khoi GKGS Manipurna atopa important topic sing da video me amo pujarakhi ni maram maduna GKGS Manipur ki channel ase subscribe to dribising gi channel now sing na subscribe to biduna GKGS Manipur ki channel ase support to biduma hariba khoi ngasi gi video ase khoi SSGD 4th of February gi horakanda 25th of February da loigaduba SSGD gi exam gomri leina pujarakpni ado atope SSC exam la CSSL MTS CPO etc high basing jida sodom important oiragadu topic amani so aduna ngasi gi question hongna ba tawragasi ngasi gi question ahan ba sidi who is of the following folk dance is the royal dance of Ladakh karam folk dance bo khoi ke to royal dance of Ladakh har khangna gi option number A that is Sam, option number B Sondol, option number C Koshan, and option number D Zabro. Here the correct option is Sondol. Okay, picture the sure ka Sondol. And hariba sondola se khoi Guinness World Record chankraba dumba folk dance amni kari gi Guinness World Record chanbano hamutan at one time to 40 at women na khoi perform tawbugi and hariba sondola se khoi Hemis monastery ga related oi Hemis monastery of Ladakh ka and see khoi gi particularly khoi Losar festival of Ladakh ka related na ayama matam to perform to Losar festival se khoi kai dawa Tibetan singi New Year ne haina recognize tong nei ka Tibetan singi New Year ne haina khoi. So with this question number 2 don't continue to question number 2 the Gida is a folk dance mainly performed by women of his state. Gida se folk dance amani nupi singna perform tawba karamba state ki no hana hangmani so ahan option da Gujarat ani sub option da Punjab and ahum sub option da Rajasthan and mari sub option da Haryana picture da su ure picture gi address akoi gi lai nupi singna khud paira kan da kana tawsaka so akoi gi here the correct option is that is option number B Punjab ki women singna perform to folk dance amni Gida harsaka and question number 3 da akoi lai who is of the folk dances performed by the tribal sects of Punjab during harvesting karamba folk dance no akoi gi tribal of Punjab no perform tawba harvesting matam ado hange ahan option the Kikli ani suba option the Bangra and ahum suba option the Gita and last option the Zoomer ko here the correct option is that is option number D Zoomer sini Zoomer se khoi not only Punjab ma se khoi kada is perform to Haryana da perform to. So with this, next question. Question number 4. Which is the folk dance performed by Buddhist monk in Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh? Himachal Pradesh amasung Ladakh ta Buddhist monk na perform tawba akhoi folk dance to adu maming kari kaubano hangi ahan option the Sam ani suba option the Thoda ahum suba option the Nati and mari suba option the Zali. Here the correct option is Buddhist monk sai ming so Buddhist ki maming hepechang Sam hai so option number A is the correct option. Sam is the correct option. So, folk dance of Himachal Pradesh kitang naina si jik naina kiba maru oiba folk dance ti yamni yami ko dubu maru oiba khara naina si Thoda, Gasarba, Nati Dangi, Jali Jora, Zamakra haiba folk dancing si Himachal Pradesh to perform the folk dancing ni and next Ras Leela is the folk dance mainly related to which state question number 5 Ras Leela se karamba state ka related oibana hangmane Ras Leela ka ko se Manipur ko oirboy ka ningam ko mayam natte ko Madhya Pradesh option number A da ani sub option the UP Uttar Pradesh ahum sub option the Bihar and mari sub option the Haryana here the correct option is gi yogi gi state haitar that is Uttar Pradesh ko Uttar Pradesh da gi hantak ta su Ram Mandir su inaugurate tawkre ko Ram Mandir Ayodhya natra the so inaugurate okay Ram Mandir Ram Krishna related oibnina Uttar Pradesh se keto Ras Leela ga related oire ka Uttar Pradesh ta so the correct option is option number B that is Uttar Pradesh ka atop Uttar Pradesh ki khoi gi folk dance khara high of the important oiber like Notanki ka Kazri Dadra I would say Uttar Pradesh ke top important oiber folk dancing ni So mayam si singi yengbiro. And question number 6 ta akhoi yengase. Rough is a folk dance mainly performed by women of state. Rough haibase folk dance amani nupi singna perform tawba karamba state ki no in hangbane. So option number A the Jammu and Kashmir, option number B the Ladakh, and option number C the Haryana, and option number D the Uttarakhand. Here the correct option is that is option number A Jammu and Kashmir ki folk dance ni ko mayam picture das ure. So atopa sina nupi na perform tawba laikre rope se and nupana mainly nupana perform tawba akhoi Jammu and Kashmir da adom folk dance amus lai maming na kai koba dumhal ko dumhal haib se ke do sina mainly by males nupa sing to perform taw atopa akhoi important oiba folk dance karas lai like dambali hikat kana mayam si sing je yengbiro folk dance hai ro maming sing je ko akhoi raw fashion nupi na perform tawba women na Jammu and Kashmir gini si chu dumal har sin nupa na perform tawba Jammu and Kashmir gini. With this akhoi next question to salase lure or lure is a folk dance mainly performed by girls of which state. Lure hai ba folk dance se girls in the perform tawba karam state ki folk dance no in hangi ahan option da Gujarat, ani chu option da Haryana, ahum chu option da Rajasthan, and mari chu option da Punjab. Here the correct option is that is Haryana. Haryana ki folk dance ni ka. With this question number 8 on continue to which is a devotional folk dance related to Haryana. Haryana ka related oiba devotional folk dance to karamba no na hangi. Ahan option the lure, ani chu option the guga, ahum chu option the fak, mari chu option the daf. So lure de jo hoi khangre by girls nupi sing to perform tawba ka nupi macha sing to perform tawba dum folk dance ne na hai kre ka. So topa si option che oidre option ahum katanga haure option ahum jim manung the correct option is that is guga sinika guga se devotional folk dance related to Haryana. Question number 9 down continue to share the question number 9 the which of the following folk dances performed on the occasion of Salwat in Bihar. Karamba folk dance se akhoi ge Salwat ka occasion Salwat ka mari laina na pangthokpa adom folk dance no e Bihar da ka. So aham option the Birha, ani chu option the Phagwa, and ahum chu option the Zumari, and mari chu option the Sohar. Here the correct option is that is Sohar sini ko me. And atopa folk dance in khara hi the Panjara me akhoi Bihar gi maru oiba Jatin, Videsya, Jijia, Zumari si sing chu yeng biro me am Bihar gi akhoi gi maru oiba adom folk dancing ni. And with this question number 10 we continue to say which is the famous folk dance of Rajasthan in which the dancer is seen moving like a snake. Akhoi gi Rajasthan ki yamno famous oiba dum folk dance ko where kamba akhoi gi dancers to snake ki type to move tawba to ka len gi type to move tawba dum folk dance to maming kai ko ge na hang. Here the correct option is hiding aida akhoi option is din Yengminnarasi Teratali, option number B the Kalbelia, option number C the Katpuri, and option number D the Kasigori. The correct option to the current bano tari that is option number B Kalbelia. Kalbelia high for folk dance akhoi gi UNESCO ki intangible cultural heritage of humanity list tasu akhoi 2010 da changraba adumba folk dance amani ko UNESCO ki intangible cultural heritage of humanity list and grow akhoi adumba folk dance amani Kalbelia hairibse. And with this atop folk dance kara akhoi gi Rajasthan gi important oiba folk dance kara maming pandara ka de akhoi like Ghumar, Gair, Sari ka haibse akhoi Rajasthan gi atopa important oiba folk dance ni. Ghumar ga sa an exam da hangram ni ko Ghumar se karamba state ki folk dance no kaina akhoi kana gine na khumani du tade Rajasthan gine. Here ado handaki important oi bisna Kalbelia se khoi UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage of humanity list 2010 da su khoi chan graba UNESCO gi ko ado folk dance ni ko Rajasthan gi. So with this next question da khoi Yengminnarasi whose of the following is not included in the UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage list. Karamba folk dance pu koi UNESCO ki intangible cultural heritage list sandabage have not included have ka ahan option the Modi yetu ani sub option the Bangra ahum sub option the Kalbelia ahum sub mari ꯄꯨꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯆꯥꯎ ꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯥꯜꯕꯦꯂꯤꯌꯥ ꯔꯥꯖꯁꯊꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯖꯤꯕꯜ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯇꯦꯖꯇ ꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ 2010ꯗ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯆꯥꯎ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯕꯦꯡꯒꯥꯜ ꯖꯔꯈꯥꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯦ 2010ꯗ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯖꯤꯕꯜ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯇꯦꯖ ꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯨꯗꯤꯌꯦꯇꯨꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 2010ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯖꯤꯕꯜ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯇꯦꯖ ꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯗ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯝꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯕꯪꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯕꯪꯒ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯖꯤꯕꯜ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯇꯦꯖ ꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯒꯔꯕꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯣꯀꯣ ꯒꯔꯕꯥ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯕꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯒꯨꯖꯔꯥꯠꯇ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯖꯤꯕꯜ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯇꯦꯖ ꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯟꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ 2023ꯗ ꯆꯟꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯟꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 12 ꯍꯨꯏꯁ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯦꯁ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯨ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯂꯤ ꯃꯦꯔꯤड ꯀꯄꯜ ꯏꯟ ꯎꯠꯇꯔꯈꯥꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯂꯤ ꯃꯦꯔꯤड ꯀꯄꯜ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯎꯠꯇꯔꯈꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯊꯥꯔꯨ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯖꯒꯔ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯨꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯕꯣꯁꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯆꯥꯂꯤꯌꯥ Here the correct option is karambano mayam picture ure kari manbige so the correct option is option number A that is tharu ko tharu sini ko maya so with this akhoi uttarakhand gi akhoi folk dance karan naina si tharu hujing naina kre bosia zagar salia nupa sing no mainly perform tawba dandal ramola pandap chansri zora samphuli haribo folk dancing sing maming sing mayam tang yeng biro go through to biro ko and akhoi folk dance of west bengal gi folk dance lor mutung da akhoi uttarakhand gi naina krom the West Bengal game nai namina simya sao che khoi West Bengal not only West Bengal aina kai hakra Jharkhand da super perform tawi Odisha da super perform tawi Odisha hagra Odisha hagra myam ka Odisha da super perform tawi hana hagra and marks 2010 da UNESCO gi intangible cultural heritage list da su changre na hagra ka and sao kya maru oibne sao che myam ka gi kainogi CSSL 2024 da so hangragum tawbani ko me so and next akhoi gambira kirtan dunasi alkab jatra santhal domani haiba akhoi gi folk dancing se mayam tang yengbiro ko go through topiro and with this question number 13 da mu continue torsi question 13 the puliatam is a folk dance related to his state puliatam haiba folk dance karam state ka related oibano en hangi ko so ahan option the Assam ani subo option the Kerala and ahum subo option the Andhra Pradesh mari subo option the Tamil Nadu puli atam ga ha akhoi sum hekta do south longi maming mali ko me so aduna masi south state ka related oy aduna Assam jidi oider option number A so Kerala Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu sige home chida so the correct option is Tamil Nadu ko Tamil Nadu puli atam ai cha khoina kai har ga khang nai puli atam se tiger dance har ga khang nai tiger dance har ga khang nai me ko so aduna akhoi tiger gi marks ko upakan tiger gi picture ka yekhela kan da dance oi se khoi Tamil Nadu gi nu passing ko ana atopa khoi Tamil Nadu gi atopa folk dance important oi folk dance pa amon lai to maming gi tang naram si kumi mayila atam bomai atam kai silambu atam poikal kudira atam hain atam bu pallabu mayam akhoi Tamil Nadu gi ne na dong khangbir ko atam ya kumi hemnatra kumi maila atam bomai atam kai silambu atam pokai kudira atam bu pallabu mayam Tamil Nadu gi ne na dong ningsing biro ko and masigi kaidobo poikal kudira atam haib cha khoina kari ha khangnai ba masigi folk dance khoina horse dance ha ga su khangnai ba horse dance hairu khang and with this okay next question dong naina se sao paika dan jatra are folk dance related to which state sao paika dan jatra se karam state related or folk dance no in hangime so ahan option da karnataka ani sub option da odisha and ahum sub option da kerala and mari sub option da assam sao palak pasida tum nising moni sao se khoi kai gi folk dance ne na kam ba jaga da perform to folk dance ne na khoi hana naina khre West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha. Sigi mafam ahom sida perform to folk dance ne naina khre khoi. Dui tari da yaw option je West karam option yaw that is option number B che yaw option naina jingai da me adum ubi re to Odisha. Ata yaw bra yaw de aduna correct option is that is Odisha. Sao paika dan jatra se khoi ke do ba karam state ka related folk dance ra me that is Odisha option number 2 go oire ko me. And with this akhoi Odisha folk dance khara naina minasi Odisha folk dance ahan ba hojiki sao paika dan jatra adugi matung da khoi leire dalkhai saiti gota sawari munari kumara sambalpuri sising me am tang go through to biro aduga akhoi Jharkhand gi ko Jharkhand gi akhoi folk dance khara ung naina minasi Jharkhand gi sao sichu Jharkhand gi GSSA you saw Jharkhand and other than saw akhoi karam mundari zumair khoi ngasai zumar haibam thengna ki ko zumar haiba akhoi Punjab and Haryana gi akhoi folk dance ama aduga confused pi gano ko mya sina zumair haibani zanani zumair mardana zumair hanta dunka sidana zumair haiba khoi gi Jharkhand dana aduga Punjab and Haryana dana zumar confused pi ko so with this question number 15 the continue to say question number 15 the matki is a folk dance related to which state matki is a kedo karam state related to folk dance no ahan boxon the Madhya Pradesh Assam Kerala Karnataka so he does picture this ubi re ko Madhya Pradesh tourism mahana ko so the correct option is option number A that is Madhya Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh ke atopa akhoi important of folk dance khara hayo ha da ga de akhoi matki next matki akhoi Phulpati Adanak Khadanak Grida Sarkula High folk dancing Phulpati Adana Khadana Grida Sarkula High folk dancing biro and with this question number 6 to continue to say Gor Maria 16 ma'am high ki ngang with the soy by khari yaw tar so ma'am ngak pi gani and Gor Maria is a folk dance related to his sister Gor Maria high folk dance ko karam state related of folk dance no in hang han boson the Kerala ni shu boson the Assam ahum shu boson Tamil Nadu and mari shu boson the Chhattisgarh. Here the correct option is that is option number D Chhattisgarh related or folk dance amni ko atopa akhoi Chhattisgarh ko related or folk dance important or folk dance khara naina ram ta akhoi Gendi Rotna Swa Panthi etc. ko sising sinema Nixing biro ko tar de Gor Maria have say akhoi Chhattisgarh gi folk dance ni and atopa folk dance important or folk dance of Chhattisgarh to the Zendi Rotnak Swa Panthi har folk dancing system ma'am nixing biro and with this ngasi gi oinadi folk dance ki video sing lotion jare ado ma'am na ai gi video sitagi kana ba kitang phangyen hai bata ga ma'am na channel asibu akhoi subscribe to support of you like to biramu and atopa SSC and atop exams experience me and so channel as share to biduna brothers and sisters me and so share to biduna channel as support to biramu and adu PDF ki damakta akhoi ai GKGS Manipur gi WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group the description the link option ge so join to video PDF ki damakta and masi harakanda me ambo mo hana thakachari